Tamsi Boy, pinitawan na naman. Short again. Exactly. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by PGS. Kung wala mo'y atop, adto na mo ni Tata Sasri, located Bungaw Fundol. You know? Highway Palapan, Mr. Ruben Esrilon, getting the money. Yes! Nice points by Mr. Esrilon. Inbound, exactly 1:34. Number 69, Tamsi Boy, Pisas. Looking for his teammate, turning for Cabo. Tagalog, English, lumipad. Uyawa, wala. Rebound by the big man. Ponteliano! Yes! Nice points by Ponteliano. Exactly 1:12. Exactly 1:12.